Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Hello, welcome to freelesson Pro. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create registration form and login page using PHP and MySQL. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to show you the project directory. Here is the project directory I have already created. One folder, registration underscore login, and I have created the root directory, all the necessary files, css, fonts, image, js, and I have created already index.php page for the registration form. So let's start to open the index.php. This is the index.php, and here is the all css and js file is included for the design issue. No need to worry about the code. I am going to share the code into the GitHub. Let's start to design the registration form. In the registration form, what kind of information we need? I think we need the full name, email address, password, re-entry password. I'm going to create the from, and this is the end of the from. So I'm going to use the post method, 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 post method, and I'm going to create the div class row, and I'm going to create the label. Label name is full name, and I'm going to create the div. Inside the div, I'm going to take the text box, input type, text, id equal to full name, name, full name, placeholder, full name, and next step is I'm going to create another mobile number, and then I'm going to create the email address, and then password, re-entry password, the type will be password. I'm going to change the ID, re-entry password, re-entry password, re-entry password. This is the password. Enter the password. This is the password, and type will be password. Email address type will be email, and ID will be email. Full name email, mobile number it will be mobile, and placeholder will be enter email address. This will be mobile number. So now we have to create one submit button. So I'm going to create the one submit button. Button type equal to submit, name equal to SEO submit, button নামটি দিলাম REGISTR registration. So let's start the browser now, and if I refresh the browser, so you see this is the registration form I have designed. So next tutorial I am going to create the database for the registration form, and sorry, I made mistake, I have to change the login name. This will be the REGISTR registration form. So next part I am going to create the MySQL database, and will insert the registration, all the required field will insert the MySQL database. So thanks for watching.